welcome to my channel. I'm Katie Elise. I'm a belly dancer, choreographer and instructor from London, and I'm going to be teaching you how to belly dance. In today's class we are going to be learning how to do the step, touch, walk. So this is a lovely traveling step and it looks just like this. Okay, so let's get started. With the step touch, I'm going to take a few steps back. We are just going to take our one foot in front. So I'm going to take my right foot in front. We step in front of ourselves and we are going to step out to the side to touch. So nice and easy, step forward, touch to the side. Perfect. We're then, because this foot, we haven't put any weight onto it. We are then going to cross, step forward with our left, and we touch on the right. Perfect, let's try that again. So step forward on the right in front, touch with the left. We now step forward with the left, touch with the right. Let's take a few extra steps. Hopefully I won't get too close to the camera and you won't see anything. Okay, so this time we're going to go step right, touch left, left, touch right, again with the right, touch left, left, touch right. So the count for this step will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Really nice. Okay, this time we can add a little bump with our step. So actually, before we even do that, I want to make sure you are all pointing your toes as you step. So instead of just going, I want you to really feel the engagement going through your legs out to your toes, keeping those toes nice and pointed. So this time we're going to add a bump. So as we step forward, we still do the same thing. As we touch to the side, we're actually going to bump with our hip as we touch. Bump. So we go right, bump left, we step with the left, bump right. Good, so you really squeeze with that glute on the one side. Push, that little bump action, bump. Good, right, bump left, left, bump right. Good. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So I've kept that quite contained with that action. You can also, boom, do a little bit extra with the hips. 1. So making the hips a little bit looser with this step. So we would step right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. So I'm putting a little bit more weight onto my legs as I step and do the bump. So I just add a little bit more of a transfer so it makes a larger bump. But as soon as I push the weight on, I take it back off again. So be like left and you step again. Good. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, so now we can reverse that step as well. Rather than just traveling forward, we can go backwards. So when we, let's go forward and come backwards. So let's step right, touch left, left, touch right, right, touch left, left, touch right. So we've ended up with the right out to the side. So we are now going to cross, instead of crossing in front, we are going to cross behind. So we can step, now we'll step out to the left. We can either touch, bump, or big bump. And then we cross right, back, left, cross and right. Good, and again. So let's start with the right out to the side. Let's just do it with the step touch. So we'll cross right, touch left, left back, touch right, right, touch left, left, touch right. Good. Let's add a tiny bump, a little isolated bump. We'll go right, left, left, right, right, left, left, and right. Good. With the big bump, we'll go right, left, left, and right. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will have a play around with those in the mirror, but before we do, I just want to make sure that you are keeping a really nice posture with this. You're not just focusing on the lower half of the body, thinking of having your shoulders roll back and down, your chest lifted, arms are out to the side, engaged. Everything is dancing when you're learning different movements. So don't just think, okay, I've just got to work on the hips. You want to keep everything else working at the same time. Okay, perfect. Let's have a go in the mirror, guys. So let's cross with our right. We'll step 1, touch 2, 3, touch 4, and reverse. Back, 2, 3, and 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time with a little isolated bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time with a big bump. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Speed it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing work, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in next week's class. We are going to be doing more tutorials, so I will see you then. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share to anyone you think might want to learn belly dance as well. I will see you then.